first step to building your data app is adding data. Data apps function according to input and output datasets. Each time a block is added, input data is fed into the block, and manipulated or transformed data is output. Therefore, when you first create your new app, some starting data is required. This dataset serves as your initial input data and is transformed as more and more steps are added. In a train track analogy, where function blocks are the tracks, the data can be represented as the train car traveling through or across the tracks. As the train car passes through a track, it is manipulated and a different dataset is output. To upload starting data into your app, use an import data block. You will be prompted to do this as soon as you create a new blank app. As you can see, we provide many integrations for getting your data into Intersect. Data can be read from an API or automatically pulled directly from external databases through integrations such as Postgres or SQL. For more information on any of these specific integrations, check out the integrations video. For this simple video, I'll show you how to import data by uploading a CSV or Excel file. This block allows you to choose a CSV or Excel file from your computer. Since these file types aren't automatically updated, you can check this box to allow users to upload personal or updated files when the app is published and run. Each time you run the app, the data app will pause and prompt the user to upload a file. Once the data is loaded into the app, a collapsible preview table shows up here. You can then call that dataset as an input for any blocks you add below this point. And each time the dataset is transformed, a new output dataset is created and renamed. For each step, this will be your results table. Also note that you can call any preceding dataset as an input. It doesn't have to be the output dataset from the step directly before it.